Succession cast real life partners. Kieran Culkin. Kieran Culkin plays Roman Roy on Succession. Born September 30th, 1982. Kieran is 39 years old from New York. Kieran is the younger brother of Home Alone fame actor Macaulay Culkin. Kieran is married to Jazz Charlton since 2013. The couple first met in a New York bar. The couple had their second child last September of this year. Jeremy Strong as Kendall Roy. Born on December 25, 1978, Jeremy is 42 years old from Boston. Jeremy won an Emmy Award for his performance in Succession. If we talk about Jeremy's married life, he's married to Emma Wall, who's a psychiatrist. The couple first met at a party in 2012 and got married after 4 years. They have three daughters together. The family currently lives in Denmark because Emma is half Danish and currently works there as a psychiatrist. Sarah Snook as Shiv Roy. Sarah is 33 years old from Adelaide, Australia. Her popular work includes Steve Jobs and Black Mirror. Sarah is married to Australian comedian Dave Lawson, and they got married secretly in 2021. Sarah told Vogue in her latest interview that before their marriage, they have been friends for years. Alan Ruck as Connor Roy. Alan, who plays Connor Roy, is 65 years old from Cleveland, Ohio. If we talk about Alan's love life, he is married to actress Mira Enos. Mira is best known for her work in The Killings and ABC The Catch. The couple already has an 11-year-old together. Alan also has two grown up children, Emma Ruck and Sam Ruck, from his previous marriage with Claudia Stephanie. Alan and Claudia were married for more than 21 years. Brian Cox. Brian Cox, who plays Logan Roy on the show, is 75 years old from Dundee, United Kingdom. Brian is married to German actress Nicole Ansari, who is 23 years younger than him. The couple have two sons together. In the past, he was married to Caroline Burt, but they got divorced in 1986 after 18 years of marriage. They also had two children together. Matthew McFadden as Tom Wamsgans. Matthew, who plays Tom on Succession, is 47 years old from the UK. Matthew's career hit new heights after he worked in Pride and Prejudice alongside with Keira Knightley. Matthew is married to British actress Keely Hawes since 2004. They first met on the set of the British TV show Spooks. Keely is best known for her work in the political thriller series Bodyguard and Line of Duty. The couple have a son and a daughter together. Nicholas Braun as cousin Greg Hirsch. Born on May 1st, 1988, Nicholas is 33 years old from Bethpage, New York. In 2020, he received a nomination for the Primetime Emmy for Supporting Actor for his work in HBO's Succession. Nicholas is currently single. J. Smith Cameron as Jerry Kelman. J. Smith Cameron, born on September 7th, 1957, is 64 years old from Louisville, Kentucky. If we talk about her character Jerry on the show, originally the character was a guy named Jerry, but later it was changed into Jerry with an I as a female role, according to The Ringer. J. Smith Cameron is married to film director and screenwriter Kenneth Lonergan since 2009. The couple has a daughter together, and her name is Nellie Lonergan. Dagmara Dominchik. Dagmara Dominchik, who plays Carolina Novotny, is a Polish American actress. She's 45 years old from Kielce, Poland. She is married to 48-year-old actor Patrick Wilson since 2005. He is best known for his role as Ed Warren in The Conjuring. The couple have two sons together. Aryan Moayed, who plays Stewie Hosseini on Succession, is an Iranian born American actor. Aryan was born on April 15, 1980, and is now 41 years old. Aryan is married to film actress Chrissy Shields. The couple have two children together. Fisher Stevens as Hugo Baker. Fisher is 57 years old from Chicago. Fisher is married to film producer Alexis Bloom. Alexis' popular films include Divide and Conquer and The Story of Roger Ailes. The couple have one child together. Peter Friedman as Frank Vernon. Peter Friedman is an American stage, film, and television actor. He's 72 years old from New York. Peter is currently single, but in the past, he was married to actress Joanne Allen from 1990 to 2002. To keep watching our videos, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.